Hey YouTube, today we're gonna make some chicken fried rice, and I have 2 pieces of chicken breast that's already cooked, and I'm gonna cut them up in small pieces. I have a half a cup of carrots, green peas, and corn. I'm gonna season it with some dark and light soy sauce, salt and pepper, that's an onion, and we're gonna cook 2 eggs, and that is 1 cup of rice. So this is what the chicken looks like after you cut it up into small cubes. So this is my pressure cooker, and it does have a setting for rice. I'm gonna take 1 cup of rice and equal it for 1 cup of water and cook it for 7 minutes. Add a little salt. So right now I'm gonna cook the eggs, and once it starts cooking, we're gonna break it up. Put a little salt. After you cook it, you can just break it up into small pieces. So that's what it should look like after you break it up. This is a real simple, easy meal. Tastes just like takeout Chinese food. Okay, so I have a wok that I put a little bit of coconut oil in there. The rice is done, so we're just gonna put that in there. And we're gonna add the onions. The onions are chopped into big pieces. I like big pieces when I eat my Chinese rice. Stir this up for a minute or 2. So we're gonna put in dark soy sauce, about a teaspoon. It's a little bit thicker. And the light soy sauce, also about a teaspoon. Add the eggs and the chicken. Now we want to stir everything together. Make sure all the sauce is stirred in there. If you want your rice to be a little bit darker, add a little bit more sauce. So everything is ready. It's really fast to make and very easy. And this is what it looks like on this massive plate. And if you guys make this, let me know. You may add other stuff. The next time I make this, I'm gonna make it with shrimp. It was really good with the chicken, but I know it's gonna be really good with shrimp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.